Hello and welcome to day 23 of the gratitude experiment, the magical air you breathe. When I read that title, it makes me want to pause and take a deep breath in and feel the air as it enters my nose into my lungs, expanding the rib cage, and exhale. The magical air you breathe starts with a quote by Mary Ellen Chase. It is quite possible to leave your home for a walk in the early morning air and return a different person. Be gilded, enchanted. So is it possible that the air we breathe has the potential to create enchantment? Well, why not? Anything is possible. We're not just breathing air. We are participating in this perfectly orchestrated system that is keeping us alive every second. And a lot of people, myself included at times, ignore it. We are disconnected from it. Maybe stay in a lack mindset because we are not appreciating these small details of how lucky we are. Could we take a deep breath, feel it, appreciate it, be in awe of it? And the cool thing is when we take a deep breath, we're not just inhaling air. We are resetting our nervous system, regulation, especially when we take a deep breath in and our exhale is longer than our inhale. We are sending the message to our brain and our vagus nerve that it is safe to relax, that we are in rest and repair. And this is where restoration comes in. This is where we are able to create. We're not in survival mode. We're not in victim mode. We're not in anger, stress, jealousy, resentment, lack. When we take a deep breath in and we have a long, slow exhale, do it with me. We are in possibility. It's not just air, it's this life-giving force. So the vagus nerve runs like a phone line and it connects your brain down to your stomach. It's like the brain is the boss upstairs and your body, the heart, lungs, stomach is everything downstairs. So the vagus nerve runs down your neck into your heart, lungs, and belly. And it sends this message back and forth like, everything is safe. It's okay to slow down. We can relax now. When we take those long, slow, deep exhales, we can relax. But when we're stressed, it goes into this alarm mode. Our heart starts beating faster. So it's up to us to stay regulated. Because when our breathing gets dysregulated and we're looking, for like the things that are upsetting us, like maybe we're in traffic or a coworker is bothering us or one of our relationships, and we get panicky and everything gets like more amped up. Our breathing gets quicker. It's just shutting down this beautiful resource that we have to connect and to stay calm and to be regulated. So that is why the magical air we breathe is so important to connect to be aware of, and to be grateful for. It's like pressing a calm down button when we have a slow exhale. Calm. So that is just a really good way to think about the magical air we breathe as we go about today, is to have that awareness and to take our foot off the gas, have slow exhales, calm energy, and our heart can slow down, our resting heart rate can relax, muscles relax, our mind gets quieter, and we can just be in a creative mode, a mode of appreciation, almost like romanticizing our life. Everything is okay. Everything is working out for me. Interrupt the autopilot today. That is our homework. 5 times today, as you go about your day, find moments where you can stop and pause and interrupt the autopilot, and then take 5 deliberate, slow, intentional breaths. And while you take these breaths, feel it. Feel the air enter your body. Feel your chest expand. And feel that you are being given life. Try it. Try it right now. Act as if you're going about your day and you're transitioning maybe between one project to another at work, or you're about to go out for a walk, or you're driving, or maybe you're making dinner. Take in a long, slow, gentle inhale, a very deliberate breath, and feel it as the air enters your body, and feel your chest expand all the way in, rib cage expanding. You can hold it at the top if you like, and then slowly and gently exhale in a long, slow, deliberate exhale. Thank you for this life-giving air. Feel it. Thank you for the air I breathe. Thank you. I am supported. I am alive. Life is working for me. As long as I have this breath in my lungs, I am blessed and all is well. So with that, let's do a meditation together. And just close your eyes, arriving in this moment. It is quite possible to leave your home for a walk in the early morning air and return a different person, be gilded, enchanted. What if the air that we breathe is magical? Newton said, "When I look at the solar system, I see the Earth at the right distance from the sun to receive the proper amounts of heat and light." This did not happen by chance. Those words make me think more and more about the bigger picture. It's not an accident that there's a protective atmosphere surrounding us, and that beyond it, there's no air or oxygen. It is not an accident that the trees give off oxygen so that our atmosphere is continuously replenished. It is not an accident that our solar system is perfectly placed, and that if it were anywhere else in the galaxy, we would most likely be devastated by cosmic radiation. There are thousands of parameters and ratios that support life on Earth. All of them are on a knife edge, and their fine-tuning is so critical that a fraction of a difference in any of these parameters would make life unlivable on planet Earth. This is not an accident. The air we breathe is perfectly designed, perfectly placed, perfectly balanced for you and me. Take a deep breath in. Breathe in for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And exhale for 6, 3, 4, 5. Take another inhale in for 4 and out for 6. Now do that 3 more times on your own. Inhaling for 4 and a long, slow, gentle exhale. Breathing in and exhaling, allowing your heart space to open. Feeling relaxed, feeling calm, allowing gratitude not only into your lungs and the air you breathe, but gratitude for your heart space, for your body, for your entire being. Feeling grateful for your life, your home, what else are you grateful for? I slow my breath and my whole body listens. Every exhale softens me deeper into safety. I am safe inside my body. Each breath brings me back to presence, to power, to control, to emotional regulation, and gratitude. I breathe slowly, and I am grateful. I breathe intentionally and with gratitude. I am grateful for the air I breathe. Now take another slow, deep breath in, all the way in. And let it go. Feeling your feet on the floor, feeling internally if anything's shifted, perhaps feeling more grounded and relaxed as you come back to the room. And open up your eyes and look around, surrounded by this air, this magical air that we breathe. Grab it. Place it in your heart. And the homework for today is to take 5 intentional breaths in and say thank you for the air I breathe as we go about our day. And that will just create a nice pause, a nice reset, and just that nervous system regulation that shows our body we are safe, we are in control, that all is well. So today is a shorter session because I've got to take my children to school. But remember, the other non-negotiable homework is to write down 10 things you're grateful for and why. And obviously do your breaths, your 5 intentional breaths, maybe even more if you're an overachiever as you go about your day. And then at night, holding your gratitude rock, reflecting on the day and finding that special moment that you want to give thanks for. How does that sound? All right. So we're going to be back here tomorrow, and we are talking tomorrow about the magic wand, and it's super exciting. And I want to give you so much props for being here 23 days in. We're getting closer. We're almost at that finish line, but we finish what we start. We are in it to win it. We go the distance. So we will see you here tomorrow. Feel free to reach out with any questions or comments, and I cannot wait to see you then. All right. Thanks for joining. So much love. Bye, guys.